Look how it just flakes off. This definitely is an option if you don't want to soak your nails in acetone. Like use the soak off bowl, or like use the little clips or whatever, and your hands look like aliens with the tin foil. So one thing about like this, on this hand right here, not only did I have gel polish over this nail.
Right back.
Okay, you gonna go get you something to eat?
Yeah.
Okay, go get you something to eat, big dog.
Don't know where.
Yeah. So you gonna walk around till you till something calls you. Omar right here. Oh, and get your daily prayer in while you at it, because sometimes you be saying, I need to pray.
I'll wake up and say,
Okay. Excuse our progress. Excuse our progress. We're getting some cameras installed here at the store, and so we have someone working, drilling and mounting and whatever. So oh yeah, so what I was saying was like, so like this one, this hand right here was just gel polish. But this hand right here, I did have gel polish, but I also had my old coat of what was this? Structured gel. Was it structured gel? It was structured gel, not Gel X. It was structured gel. But you know what? I want to practice. I want to do Gel X. I might do Gel X on this nail and do structured gel on this, because I have the length, but I know once that structured gel is off, I'm not going to have the strength. So I'm going to have to immediately like do some maintenance on my nails after I take this structured gel coating off. This old structured gel, it's been on for about 4 weeks or whatever. If that, probably more than that. But it's old, it's growing out. And so I'm tired of looking at it now. And then I covered it with some regular gel polish. But now I just want it. I want it. And I want to keep my length. I want to keep my length. But see, this one, I had took them off of this one. And I put some gel polish on. I just did gel polish. And they still broke. So my nails got to start, they're starting over. They got to grow and catch up with this side. So yeah, so now the gel that's on there, like it whatever softened up and melted, like I pushed it off, but there's still more on there, so I'm going to put another coat of gel remover on here. But you know what I'm gonna do, just like I do like with like acrylic, like once like I push off the part that it melted or got soft, I go around it with the file and get like the residue, and then I'm gonna put another layer of it on there. Okay, I got a message. Y'all see, when I be looking in the camera smiling, It's because I had got a message. For anybody who looks at this live, just in case I get some people that look at the live, if you know anybody who is doing an event or have an event coming up and they need some door prizes, some giveaways, I do have my nail care packs are available to be sold in bulk orders. So ask me about the pricing. And yeah, I can supply your event or occasion so you can have nice giveaways. Support small business owner. This side is almost done. All right, I'm done. All right, so still got a little bit more to go. I know those look clear, but it's still some structured gel on there. So I'm about to do one more layer. All right. I know somebody just joined me, but I'm getting ready to end the live because, yeah. I didn't want it to be a super long live. I was just sharing what I was doing using this gel remover. But yeah. Say hi in the comments so I can see who you are before I end the live. So I can welcome you, do the most at welcoming you to my live. Say hi. Drop a hi in the comment, boy. Did you drop a hi in a comment? Okay, well.